What's up, guys? You all here, and today I'm inside my house, and it's kind of fun inside because a while ago it was raining, and now it's almost night. It's like it's already late, and now it's night. There's the moon. It's coming up, and there's my plant. It's still watering. So I'll just stop watering it because it might be dead so fast. Yeah. So all I did was I just watched TV a while ago. Then I checked my TV around. Then I just saw this, and I was just so shocked that I saw that. I was cleaning my TV. Then the time when I walk in here so I can clean my TV, I saw this. I pressed this and it's like a secret hiding spot in here. It's like explosives, weapons, and there's some money. Oh my gosh. And I was so shocked how much money was there. So all I did is I did that. So now it's not raining and it's already night. I really need to eat food. I haven't eaten yet. Wait. Yeah. Nom 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 nom. And now I'm done. So all I do is I washed my clothes. Yes, I washed it. And oh, I forgot to water this. So I'm just gonna water this. So I'm not yet gonna sleep. It's just still early. It's early. It's early night in Brook Heaven. Oh. It's not early night. Oh my gosh. And my plants might be dead. Oh my gosh. No. Don't water plants so much, okay? I mean, I don't know if I should water my plants so much. Okay, now. Aww, it's a cute puppy. I need to sleep. I'm gonna check you later, puppy. Bye. So this is my room, guys. I picked this room because my safe is in here. If someone went inside my house or a glitcher went inside my house, even if my door is locked, I am still watching my safe and I can ban that person if that's a baby or not. I got my camera over there. Can you see the camera over there? Yes, it's a camera over there. Look. You know, this is the camera. See, I told you guys, it's a camera. So this is my bank, it's my safe, and I need to check if it's morning. Oh, okay, it just started to be. Wait, what? Wait, was there a person there? Wait, guys, I really want to go in there. I need to go there. Why is there who is this person outside the house? Okay. This night is kind of spooky. Wait a minute. Wait. The name Ashley is my classmate, okay? But it's not real my classmate. They just use that name, okay, guys? So my house is up in here. I better need to get some rest right now. Knock. Can I go in? Okay, I can go in. Can I lock it? Why is this? The door is blocked, but there's still. Just gonna sleep. Then mind that later. And we're just gonna check if it's gonna be morning or not. Owned Ashley. Wait, Ashley owned this house. Oh. I like the details of this Brookhaven. Look at this. Look. Brookhaven homes. And look at this. The house. I like the house. Wait, guys. I'm just gonna call. Okay, guys. Okay. Just wait me there. Is it almost morning? Nah, it's not. Nah, it's not. Okay, guys. I'm back. Almost morning. I'm not gonna sleep anymore. I really need to check what's happening right now. There's some weird sounds right now. Oh my gosh. There's some weird sounds right now. Guys, there's some weird sounds going on right now. Hi, puppy. Oh, it's not a puppy, I guess. I'm just gonna... Wait. How much money is in Brookhaven? What? Wait. What the heck was that? What the? Why is the Brookhaven Bank out? Is already going out of the money. I mean, the money's like that now. Who stole the bank? Who stole the bank? What the? Oh my gosh. Why is this happening so bad? What the? I can't even remember that. What is this? Still gonna panic. I'm still panicking. Oh, hi, Lovey. I'm still panicking. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm panicking. Oh my gosh. Bank vault is closing. Yeah. Thank goodness. Who stole the bank? Still like this house. Wait. I see two people in there. Wait. They both are naked. Oh my gosh, no. What is this, police? Are you a policer? Are you a police? Wait. He means he's from Philippines? He's from Philippines. Guys, look at that flag. I just saw the flag. I don't know. Maybe it's in Philippines, Japan, something like that. I can't see it. Show. Now I'm him. Hey, I'm taller than you, sir. Oof. I was about to go out, sir. Oh, it's a baby. Wait, it's a bacon girl. Guys. Even if people that has a skin that is not roblox, we can still help them. It's not just because my skin is not roblox. Even my skin is a roblox, I still want to help the bacon, but I cannot see one. I mean, it's there. Wait, wait, I'm just gonna type here. How can I help you? Okay, she doesn't mind me saying that. Oh my god! She's going on the groceries. Okay, I don't really know. Wait, where is she? I have too many friends on my friends. I don't understand what she's saying though. Brr, 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 brr. Now someone owns this. Luxury apartments. That's right. It's thank you. I'm just gonna. Wait, so you mean I can write it? Even it's not me? Look guys, look. Spot the difference. Spot the difference. It's probably this one. This one. This one that is moving. Because it's kind of off my mouse. My mouse. So I'm running to the police. I'm just kidding. So guys, what is happening right now? You don't know what's happening right now? The thing that is happening right now is I'm going in the vents. Oh, vents. There we go. Then I can just do this. I can do this. I can do this. Oh, there we go. Wait, guys. Who is this person? Now I just need to get the key card. Go. Now I keep going. I'm running. So guys, we're going to the beach. We're going to the beach because that's where it is. Vacant or vacant. I don't know. I'm just gonna keep jotting while I'll sleep. Tell me guys. Oh, there am I. Just needed to get my very special bike. That's right. Have my bike. So that's all it, guys. So what is the password? I'm cringe. Incorrect password. Guys, I don't know what's the password. Can you guys please comment down below what's the password? Yeah, please comment down below. I want to see what's the password. For real, guys. For real. What's the password? Think you will think. Think! That is going to be... That is going to be the No. Someone said it's a gamer. It's like letter I or letter P. I think it's Lanky Bucks Gaming. Incorrect password. Maybe the password is incorrect password. It's Friday. Oh man. So guys, it's going to be for me. to